Okay, it's Saturday, June 7th. Had a lot of rain. It's just kind of gloomy out there. Sun is finally starting to break out, and it's now about quarter to four when I'm putting this together. And it's still humid. Now the rain and the cold, cooler air has moved down. You can see it kind of just ended through this area here, Allentown, that way, and temperatures have dropped in the lower 70s, but still humid. But if you go just south towards Philly, South Jersey, and Delaware, temperatures are still in the 80s. This is around 4 o'clock. You can see the rain is now moving down into this area, and it'll go through. And then if you look at this is around 6 o'clock. There's still some scattered showers, maybe, a couple downpours. There's some heavier rains out here towards Seven Presidents Beach out that way, and then some down here by Cape May as we go through the nighttime hours. Here's around 8 o'clock. Basically, there's just some showers laying around. I was hoping that tomorrow was going to be a decent day as we go through the night. Here's midnight, Pennsylvania. Basically, no rain, just a couple of sprinkles or drizzle down in here. But you got this rain mass down here moving up, and that's going to basically affect the weather on Sunday for a lot of people. Here's the morning hours around 7 o'clock. You can see it's just in the southern part of Pennsylvania and southwestern part of Pennsylvania. Temperatures in the morning tomorrow, not too bad. 60s most of the areas, and just a pocket of 50s up here where it normally is colder up here towards Bradford and out that way. That's nothing unusual for them to be a little bit colder. As we go through the morning hours, we get this to around 10 o'clock. You can see it spreads basically south of 80 right now, with some heavier rain down here towards Baltimore and Washington, D.C. Again, this is around 10 o'clock in the morning. We move this out a little bit further. Let's see, let's get this to around 3 in the afternoon. You can see it's now moved to the northern part of PA. There's some showers and some thunderstorms mixed into it. There's a band down here by Philly and Delaware and South Jersey. If we back this up a little bit, you'll see how it comes through. It comes through pretty strong here by Wilmington and down towards Dover. It's kind of like a little bow echo there too. But you can see I thought it was going to be dry, but unfortunately the storm is a little bit further north than was plotted. This is around 4. You can still see here's that rain thunderstorm line here in South Jersey, heading down towards South Delaware. Some thunderstorms out here by Pittsburgh, some showers, heavier downpours, even a thunderstorm in the central part of the state. And as we move this on to it's around 6 o'clock. Still scattered rain. Heavier storms now moved up here towards Atlantic City. South Pennsylvania got a few head downpours up here north towards Tobyhanna, up towards Binghamton, maybe a storm out towards Pittsburgh. We got a little bit of rain coming through. We moved this out to about 8 o'clock. It's beginning to break up across Pennsylvania, and then you still got some downpours out here, South Delaware, Central Jersey here, and then it starts to move out around, this is around 10 o'clock Sunday night, 11, 12, and move this out to about 2 o'clock. Most of the rain is now in North Jersey, heading out to the New England area. There's a little shower the computer thinks out here by Harrisburg, and it kind of just hangs around a little bit. This takes us to 6 o'clock in the morning, and it's still some rain out here, so not downpours, but this rain out here towards Newark. Just what they need at the airport is some more rain. And then out here in Pennsylvania, central PA, you got some drizzle and some showers. We take this out a little bit further. This is around noontime on Monday. Pretty much everywhere, no rain. Couple sprinkles here in north central PA, but we have a little bit of more precipitation moving into the west. This takes you into the evening hours on Monday. It's around 5 o'clock. You can see a couple thunderstorms have set up out here towards Erie and south of Erie a little bit. And then as it comes across the state, here's Tuesday, or this is Monday night around 8, 9, 10. You can see these thunderstorms are out here. There's some little rain out ahead of it. This is 10 o'clock Monday night, 11, 12 o'clock Monday night, And you can see, I'll just move it forward. You'll see overnight it works its way across Pennsylvania. And this is around 7 in the morning on Tuesday. We have plain rain, maybe a couple of heavier showers mixed in with it on Tuesday morning. And then as the day goes on, a couple storms or heavier showers bubble up. That's around 10 in the morning. And then as we get into the afternoon hours, around 10 o'clock, man, you got a nasty one down here by Dover, crossing over into Jersey. Even down here by Lancaster, you got a storm, a couple of spotty, heavy downpours around it going on. On Sunday, your temperatures max out at basically in the 60s and low 70s. Maybe a little bit in South Delaware, it might hit 80. And then on Monday, temperatures max out mostly in the 70s, maybe a couple low 80s towards Pittsburgh and down by Harrisburg and York. If you look up here in the Poconos, temperatures stay in the 50s during the day on Monday because of the clouds and the showers and stuff. So, not the greatest. I think I could take this out to Tuesday. Yeah, it's just Tuesday high temperatures, basically 60s in Northeast PA and down here towards Allentown and Reading and northern New Jersey, and then 70s just about everywhere else. And maybe an 80 pops up in South Jersey and southern Delaware. That's about it. So everybody take care. This rain just wants, we're in that pattern of change, and it just wants to keep doing that. So, okay, everybody be safe out there. Talk to you tomorrow.